Hi all. So today I'm going to discuss a coding problem that was asked in Nagarro. And the coding problem is write a program to reverse a sentence without actually reversing individual words in it. Okay. So suppose I have a sentence. Malaysia is a beautiful country. Suppose I have this sentence. So what output do I actually need? I need so I want this as my output. Okay. Without actually reversing the individual words. Okay, the sentence should get reversed without actually reversing the individual words. So let's start coding. So first of all, I'm going to make a class public, sorry, public class. I'm going to name this class as main. Then I'm going to create the main method, string args. Okay. So first of all, let's take a dummy string. I'm going to name it as S, and let's take the same string here. Okay, so I have this string. Now what I need to do is I have to reverse this string, this complete string. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first break this sentence, okay, based on the words. Okay, I'm going to extract every word out of this sentence. So what I'm going to do, how can I extract every word out of the sentence? By making use of a split method. So I'm applying a split method over the string S. Okay, so split method is written as on what basis I'm going to split this string on basis of space. Okay, so for every space that particular word would get extracted. Okay, so I'm going to use space here. Now since I'm getting multiple what you call as since I'm getting multiple words here, so I cannot store that in a single variable. Okay, I have to take a array for that. Okay, so I'm taking an array of type string and I'm calling that array as words. Okay, so whatever word I'll be getting from here would get stored in this words words array of a string. Okay, now what I need to do is let's calculate the length of this array. So the length would be number of words I have in that sentence. So let's take a variable for length as len, and I'm going to use length method for array. So that is length. Okay. Whenever you are using length method over the array, you do not need to put parenthesis here. Okay. For length, it is not required. Now I'm going to iterate over every word in this array. Okay, so see, I have to reverse this string. Since I have to reverse this string, I want to extract the last word first, then the second last, then the third last, and so on. So I have to iterate over the array in a reverse fashion. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to iterate the array from the end. So the last index would be whatever the length of my array is, less one would be the last index of that array. Okay. Now I have to iterate it till the first position, that is equal to 0, and I minus minus. Okay. Now what I need to do is I have to take another string which is currently empty, in which I'm actually going to store the reverse of the original sentence. Okay. So I'm going to name this string as REV. And then since for now I do not have the reverse string, I'm going to take it as null. Okay. So one by one, I'll extract the last word and append to this reverse string. So what I'm doing here is reverse equal to reverse plus the last word from the array. Okay. So array is what? Words. And I'm going to take the last word of the array, that is at position I. Okay. So initially rev is empty. Rev is null. In the first iteration, I is len minus 1. That is, suppose length comes out to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The length would give me how much? 5. Okay. So I'm iterating from len minus 1, that is 4. So what do I have at position 4? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At position 4, I have which word? Country. So null plus country would give me what? Null plus country would give me country. Okay. Now, see, after every word, I have to put a space also. Okay. So what I'm doing here is I'm concatenating one space also after every word. Okay, like this. So after country, I'll be getting one space, and in the second iteration, I value would get decremented by 1, and it would become how much? 3. So at position 3, which word do I have? Beautiful. So currently Rev is containing what? Country. Now country plus beautiful would give me country beautiful. Okay, it would give me country beautiful. So this way I will make it capital. Yes. So this way my string would get reversed. Now let's try printing it. System dot out dot print ln. Okay, I'm going to print the reverse string. To simply print REV. Let's execute this. Everything seems good. We can execute it. Yes, we are getting the correct output. Country beautiful is Malaysia. So Malaysia is a beautiful country. So now we got the desired output. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you dislike the video, please go ahead and hit the dislike button. Thank you.